What is anger? Being able to teach how not just to manage your anger, but to no longer get angry anymore. To understand what's under anger. Basically, there's 4 things. They are hurt, want, fear, and care. If you can identify with the hurt, the want, the fear, or what it is you care about, you will no longer ever have to experience anger. You will experience hurt. You will experience fear. You will experience want. Sometimes you want things you can't have. And you care. But once you can identify those feelings, you won't have to be so upset with the anger. Anger is a side effect of those.